Yuck. Mitters, what do you think about all this? Huh? Psst. What do you think about all this, Besides the string on the camera. That's about it? You don't care? Yeah. Well, I care. Yeah. Snow everywhere. Welcome to another vlog in the life of Super Dan 659. Today, well, there's snow everywhere. It's about 4:18 p.m. right now. It's a little late in the day, guys, but right now, I don't really care. It started snowing a couple days ago on Thursday, and today is Saturday, by the time I'm filming this. So, yeah. It started snowing. Okay, up here, we were shoveling the driveway, and it was snowing so hard and so bad that when my brother and I were shoveling the driveway up here, it took about 20 minutes. There was already like 2 or 3 inches on the driveway covering it after we had just shoveled it. So that's how bad it is. It's warming up a little bit. It's kind of wet and slushy now, but it was like the fresh powder when it first came down. It wasn't wet. It was just cold and powdery. Now it's all packed down. It's everything's melting. So yeah. But we got everything shoveled yesterday, so took quite a bit. Oh, and yeah, the silver van got stuck. Oh, by the way, I don't know if I told you guys this, but we did get another van to replace the red one. And I guess you ever saw this van. It's a 2006 Town & Country. It's not really like, it's not like the other van. To be honest, I think the other van was better, but the engine is in great shape. It's kind of rusty a little bit, but yeah, it's okay. It gets it from point A to point B. So, but yeah, and I don't know why it has number 13 on it. I don't know, it was on there when we got it, but yeah. So, and oh, there's Timothy up there. I don't know if you guys can see him, but yeah, slippery. So, yeah, I'm not crazy about all the snow. However, though, we did have quite a bit of fun here. Now, the reason why I wasn't able to film is because my parents went somewhere for a couple days, and, well, they took my camera. So, I wasn't able to film, so, because we only have one camera. And hi, Tim, I see you. The camera sees you, too. So, yeah, it's all wet and white. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas, and I'm not ready for it yet. Oh boy. Oh, look. A wild Timothy in his natural habitat. Such a surprise.
I'm fighting a vine, thank you very much. So much for vines.
Fighting Vine? Why would you want to fight that? They make great videos. Funny videos. I made a bunch of them that I haven't been able to upload to Vine yet because I don't have Twitter or Instagram, just Facebook. So,
That's so divine of you. Ugh.
That was a terrible pun. Oh, look. A bunch of pine needles. Because there are pine trees right here. I almost fell. Look at this. It's like all covered in them. Whatever. But, I'm not crazy about the snow right now, but hey, it's here. So, we've already been having some fun with it. Me and my neighbor have. And, well, Tim. So, yeah. But, I don't think we're going to be doing much splitting today. Or for a while, at least until all this melts here. All our wood that we haven't split is underneath this tarp. And can't exactly use this right now. And it's probably gonna take forever to dig all this out. And not to mention it's heavy. And I don't really feel like doing it. Plus it's getting dark. So I don't know how well you guys can see it on camera, but it's probably a lot darker on camera than... It's probably a lot brighter on camera than it is in real life, but yeah. Wood. And we're getting low. We finally got... This was supposed to be our 5th row right here. I can already see the first row. In the very back. Right there. So, yeah. Oh, yeah, and, also, yesterday, while we were trying to clear all this driveway out, I moved the silver van into the mud and, well, not into the mud, into the yard, and it wound up digging up a whole bunch of mud because I got stuck. And, we were just trying to get all the slush and snow off of here, so... But, yeah, as you guys can see, there's mud there's mud everywhere. And, it's disgusting. My sister's car is like, her front wheel is in the mud right now. But, luckily she has 4-wheel drive, so that's good. So, and all the rest of our vans don't have 4-wheel drive. They have 2-wheel drive and their front wheel. So, yeah. And, it's just disgusting. So, but yeah, we had to have a friend stay over at our house because... Can you quiet down, please? Anyways, we had to have a friend stay over at our house the other night. Actually, Thursday night. Because, it was, They don't know when to be quiet, do they? Anyways... So, because it was literally so bad, the roads were so bad, we didn't have a plow through here for hours. Like, at all. Like, let's put it this way. We had a plow come through on this side, but not on that side. Not going that way, just going this way. And, well, let's just say that there was like 3 inches on that side. So, yes, hello. But, yeah, and, the next plow that came through came about 5 or 6 hours later. Almost midnight. So, yeah. So, yeah, how was your day, guys? Let me know in the comments. Because, I don't know. It's been, the past few days have been pretty, if you know what I mean. Because Thursday it was snowing, Friday it was shoveling, And today, it's just been, well, pretty self-explanatory. Wet. So, we got about a foot of snow. So, it's just... And I had a feeling we might, given how much rain we got this year in the United States. Especially up here in Pennsylvania. I mean, I was thinking about going down to the river that I took you guys with me a few times. And, I was thinking about possibly going down there, looking at the river, but I don't think that would be such a good idea. Maybe I'll save that for a different video, I don't know. But, yeah, like I said, it's getting kind of dark, and it's cold out, and I don't feel like going anywhere right now. But, anyways. Really? Okay then. Once again, coming upon a wild Timothy in his natural habitat.
I'm a polar bear.
Ladies and gentlemen, apparently he says he is a polar bear. Oh my goodness.
I don't have...
He doesn't look that white. Like, he doesn't look white enough to be a polar bear. He has the colors of a grizzly and the face of a four-eyed human. Huh. But hey, at least he does not look like a husky. What's better? Yeah. Oh boy. What am I doing with my life?
I'm gonna go take a crash.
What?
I'm gonna go take a crash.
Take a what?
I'm gonna go take a crash.
Oh, a crash. I thought you said trash. I was like, what? Okay.
Hey!
Gotcha.
Mind?
Nope. No, I don't. I saw you were about to throw snow at me, but you can't because I got a camera. And I got all of YouTube in here.
Like I would never, ever. I did on purpose, right?
I know. Whatever.
See y'all later.
Nah. Get warmed up.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I have weird brothers. Then again, I'm weird. And I also have weird friends. And weird neighbors. And weird facial expressions. And weird sound effects. So, yeah, guys. Let me just slip over here. So, yeah, let me know, what should I do in the next video? Should I go down to the river while there's still snow? I'm not gonna swim in it, but, like, should I just go down to the river just to take a look at it and bring you guys with me? I don't know, I might go down there with Zane, I don't know. But, yeah, who knows, I might get some pretty good footage. And maybe some good pictures, too. But, yeah. Just let me know. Let me know in the comments. Should I go down there or not? So, yeah. My family's watching Home and Zeros right now. Great show.
From now on, rotating weekend passes in Hamilburg. You first, LeBeau, then Kinch, then Carter. Thank you, sir. Uh-oh.
It matters. Oh, and by the way, guys, I probably won't be uploading any more Minecraft videos anytime soon because my brother somehow, my oldest brother Jimmy, somehow uninstalled Minecraft, and we've been trying to get it back on the computer, but we can't find it. It keeps on saying that we have to buy it, so we've been trying to reinstall it, just get it back. And also that house that you guys saw me building in the last episode, I just added a whole bunch of stuff onto it. I was gonna film for you guys, but instead, I just kept on putting it off and putting it off. I'm like, nah, they probably... I'm just gonna wait for the feedback from it. But instead of doing that, I didn't film. So, yeah, I'm sorry, guys, but... yeah, again, guys, I'm really sorry. So, I'm trying to do different things, see what people like, and see if I can do some stuff to really make my channel take off. So, yeah, currently I think I have 18 subscribers, which thank you guys again so much for subscribing. All of you guys that have subscribed, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys, more than you know. So, because I didn't even think I was going to get one. Well, I figured I'd probably get one, but I didn't think I was going to get 18. So, yeah. So again, guys, thank you so much. You guys mean the world to me. So, yeah. And, I still can't believe how much snow we got in November. It's... normally, we just have leaves falling or just changing color, or all the leaves are off and by now we're waking everything up. Not, shoveling snow this early in November. I mean, right now I'm filming this, and it's the 17th of November, so it's I don't know, it's crazy. So I think Mother Nature's a little mixed up, but I don't know. So I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. So yeah. So let me know in the comments, what should I do? Nothing too expensive. And I did get a comment saying count to 5,000. I can't even count to 200 without, messing up. So, but yeah, I mean, count to 100, yeah, it's easy. Plus, how many people just want to see me count to 5,000? That would be the entire video. And no. I wonder if I'm beginning to wonder if whoever did that, whoever you are, if you put that up, I'm beginning to wonder if you put that as a joke. I have a feeling you did, but I don't know. But yeah, I guess we'll see you guys later. I love you guys. You guys are awesome. So stay safe, stay awesome, stay super, and we'll see you guys in the next video. God bless, guys.